Hello, Mr. Harry, Mr. Ryan. How are you today?
Good.
Okay, what did we talk about yesterday?
Average of a binary tree, and the way to work it is the sum divided by the n thingy. The sum divided by the note.
Sum divided by the number. That's the average, okay? And we use the breadth search, which travel the tree level by level, right?
Hey,
Yeah.
what's that?
That's a sum. That's the mathematic symbol to represent the sum. Sum. Okay, sum. Sum up the numbers.
How
Okay.
is that sum?
That's the mathematic symbol. Okay. This level by level, right? We use the breadth search with the help of which data structure?
You should have done this. That will be the proper sum.
Yeah, no. It has this. What kind of data structure we use in the breadth search?
Oh, Q.
Yeah. Okay. And then in the depth search, we use the stack. Yeah, we use a stack, but we can use the
Nobody
recursion.
cares.
Come on. We're using the stack, okay? So if I want to travel a tree using the depth search, the pre-order, what's the pre-order of this one?
Oh, it's 1, 2, 7, 3, 4, 5,
3,
6,
4,
7,
5.
8.
Yeah, we're done.
Like that.
Okay. So if I want to travel the depth search, the binary is using depth search, then I can pass on the levels. Yeah, I know which level my current node is. When I traverse to the left or right tree, we need to increment the level, right? Yeah, and then we can use a list to store the nodes. Alright. So what I meant is, look, Eric, look at me, don't play. So I have a list of, look, when I travel here, this is the level 0, and I put a 0 here, and a level here, okay, 0. And then I travel these 2 and 3, I know the left and right is 2 and 3, so what do I do? This is level 1, and I put a 2 and 3 here, right? And then level 2, that will be 7, 4, 5, right? As long as I know this list, right? Then I can calculate the average, right? Because I know the list exactly.
How come? I think it's 1.
Sorry?
not
Oh,
0.
okay, yeah, 1, yeah. So I know, because I already grouped them by levels, so I know how to calculate the average, yeah, easily for a list, yeah. How do I calculate average for a list? For example, list is ARR, right? Like 1, 2, 3. How do you calculate this average for this one?
Oh, that'll be easy.
Yeah.
There's 3 of them. So it's 1, 2, 3. That's 6. Divided by 3.
How-
2.
How can you write the algorithm, the Python to calculate the sum of the average of ARR? Can you do it? Let's say s equals 0 for I in what?
Range.
ERR, yeah, and then
What's ERR?
ARR, the list, yeah, then all the number, and then what? S plus equal what? The numbers will I, and then the average is what? S divided by what?
Divided by the count.
Which is,
N. No.
which, how can I get the range of, the number of this? How can I get the number of the elements in the ARR? Using which function? Start with L.
Wait, it's lambda.
Length, come on. That's okay. So this is the way, but you can do this. You can use what? How can you do this? Sum ARR divided by what? Sum ARR is actually this one, right? So ARR, what's ARR? Divided by what?
Divided by the sum of.
Sum divided by what?
Sum divided by.
N, which is what? I just told you.
Length. S.
Length ARR. This is ARR, sorry. ARR, okay? So this is the average, okay? So the first step is to group the elements, to append each node to its level, right? Alright? Does it make sense? So as long as we have a list of the nodes for each level, then we can do this easily, right? Yeah? Okay, I'm going to test you, okay? Just to make sure you understand.
How come?
Because you look you look like playing, you're not understanding. Okay, define. Let's say, find average. Find average. Root.
Column.
Okay, then I have defined a depth search here. Okay, depth search. First of all, I have a root, and then I want to pass on the level. Level with 0, 1, 2. Can you stop doing that? Level, and then I will have a result. Result for the list of the nodes. Okay, on each level.
What did you just write that are?
If not root, if the root is empty, there's nothing we can do. We just return. Yeah.
Return.
Okay, now I have a list which is at the beginning the IES is empty. Now I need to find if the level is bigger or equal than length IES. Okay, so we found a new level. I want to push this.
Result.
So RES dot append a new root, yeah, which is a list of the. We currently finding a new level, so I want to push the level in it, right? Root of value, right? Okay, else what? IES level. Look, Eric, this is the key thing. Okay, the level dot append what? Append what? What should I do? Root of value. Okay, root of value. And then now look, can you tell me what should I do with the depth search, the pre-order? Depth search what? Can you do, there are two depth search here. Can you tell me what should I do?
Right. Root
Sorry?
left.
Root of left. And then what happened to the level? If I go down, what happened to the level?
Level plus 1 result.
Yeah, okay. And then
Read the right level plus 1 result.
okay, so can you explain to me what's these two here?
It's talking about the answer. Like making the deficit of like getting a new level. Yeah. Stuff like that.
So when you go down, you're passing the level plus 1, right? Yeah? And then you're passing the depth, okay? And then look, if I need to call this, yeah? Depth search. Eric, depth search, root. And what should I put at the beginning, the second parameter, if I want to call this? What's the beginning of the root level? What's the root value?
Level.
No, this is the function parameter. The root is at level what? What should I put?
First level, 0.
0 and then IES. I need to declare a IES here, yeah? IES equals an empty list, right? At the beginning. And then return. Now, after IES, I will have this what? What's IES here? After this depth search, what will be IES?
Answer.
No.
Result.
No.
Sum.
The IES, what's IES here? After the depth search, what will IES contain? What will
The average.
No, not yet. I haven't calculated the leverage. What did I do here? What did I do these two? Look, if I go to the 1, level 0, and I put a 0 here, which is 1. And then list of this, yeah? And the second level is 2 and 3, right? And the third level is what? Third level is what? Can you tell me?
3 and 4. Just 4.
Just 4. Okay, so this will be IES, okay? After this call, the depth search will be this, right? And I want to return the average for each level, right? So I need to do this. Return sum.
I just said sum.
Sum x
I did
divided
say sum
by
before.
yeah, but not yet. I'm talking about this, okay? And what? Divided by what? Sum x divided by what?
Divided by the length.
Length x, yeah. And then for x in
Result.
yes. Okay, so these will become Eric. These will turn these into what? Can you tell me? What?
1.
1, yeah, and then
2.
no, it will be 1, and then what?
2, 3.
So these will be IES, and what happened here? Sum x divided by length x for x in IES. So what you will become?
2.5.
Yeah, and then 4, yeah. So that would become this, yeah? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
What's the time complexity? What's the time complexity?
Rub it out.
Not yet, not yet. What
What
if n, if there are n number, remember the complexity of breadth search, yeah?
That was n
The number of
square.
No, there's only one tree. Where's
n square.
O(n) square, O(n) which one? There are n numbers of nodes in the binary tree. What's the time complexity?
n.
What's the
That's
space?
exactly one.
Because we need to travel visit each node exactly once, right? Yeah? That's where O(n) comes from. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
What's the space complexity?
Or on. O1.
O(n), come on, we use
I
it.
did say O1, then I said O1.
Yeah, but
You
okay.
didn't say anything.
Why is it O(n)?
Because we are using deficit.
That's a search, and also the result is a list of a list. Yeah, this is the two-dimensional list, Eric. A list of lists. So look, list 0, IS0 is this one, IS1 is here, okay? IS2 is here. What are you doing?
What's this?
Okay, yeah, good choice. What's this?
I don't think if you do lemon squeeze apple pie or custard. Result.
Yeah,
Dot append.
yeah.
Right?
Append what? Not quite exactly IS. Look, if there are levels in here,
Or say.
so which level I need to append to? IS level.
What's this?
Not yet, not yet. Can you write it? IS, which level of this? Because we know this level, okay? IS level, the append to the value, okay? Come on, you need to understand, okay? Does it make sense? IS, yeah? Which level is it? Bracket level. Bracket, yeah, bracket.
Square.
Square bracket level. And dot append, yeah? Because we are appending root of value to this level. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Come on, it's quite simple. Why are you still not remembering? No, there's no. You don't need to append the list. You're appending the value, right? The first time is appending a list. Does it make sense? Root of value. Right. Right? And what's here? Return what? I have IS. How can I convert it to?
Oh, that's.
Remember the something? Yeah. Sum x divided by what? What's this?
Oh yeah, the sum.
Yeah. Sum what?
X.
When you're calling the function, you need a bracket. Remember, you're not doing that. Yeah, come on. Sum what? X. And a bracket. Yeah, and what? How do you get the average?
Yep. Oh, X.
Sum x divided by what?
Divided by.
Only one divide. Or divided by what?
Divided by
The count. What's count? I asked you. Remember the air thingy.
Oh, length.
Length what?
X.
Yeah.
For
Yeah. For what?
For X.
For x in what?
In sum.
Where's
In
sum?
result.
Result. Come on.
Result.
Yeah. You see, if I ask you to write it, you remember more, right? Does it make sense? You understand more, yeah? Does it make sense? Eric, can you tell me what's this? Why there's an if thingy? It's a bit hard to understand, right?
So if the level is.
If we are going to the next level, and we need to append
we
it
go
to
the
next level, then
And the result append.
look, this is the result.
Get it to the.
Eric, this is the result. At the beginning is empty, and then if I reaching a new level, the first time, look, Eric, this is 1 and here, yeah. If I go to the 2, Eric, go to the 2. But this list doesn't have a 2 level, so what do? I go here and I put a 2 here, right? Eric.
Yeah.
Then this result will be here, right? Look here. And then when I visit 3, yeah?
Yeah.
Instead of putting it back, because it belongs to the same level as 2.
Yeah.
So what should I do? This one, is level here, which is here, append root of value. So I append it. Does it make sense? That's what it means. Yeah? Got it? Yeah? Does it make sense, Eric?
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
A little bit? Okay. And then I go, because we go to the left and go to the right, with the left level plus 1, right? Yeah? Any questions you don't understand? Any questions? Any questions asked? No?
Are you going to quiz us again?
Sorry?
Are you going to quiz us again?
Quiz us. No, I'm just asking you, do you understand?
I understand.
Don't just, if you don't understand, ask questions, okay? I want you to understand. Do you understand? Yeah? What's You understand, yeah? Are you sure?
Are you going to rub it out?
If you understand, I'm going to rub it out. Okay, I'm going to rub it out one more time.
Oh, no.
I'm going to rub it out one more time. Okay, I'm going to rub it out this one. How do you call this function at the beginning?
Oh.
Yeah, that will be easier. Write it quicker, not write hard. You don't need to write so hard.
It's better.
Okay. DFS. How do we call this function? Default search. How do you call it function?
Oh.
Yeah.
You do the root.
Yeah.
The first one is 0.
The level, yeah.
And then result.
Yeah, you pass the result. Yes.
Yeah.
Well done. Okay, you can say bye bye to people.